Hey, science explorers, welcome back to the channel where we make the microscopic magnificent. Today, we are diving into something you carry with you everywhere you go. Nope, not your phone. I'm talking about DNA, the code of life. Think of it as original operating system, but it's organic. So, what is DNA anyway? It's not just something we see in crime shows, DNA or deoxyribo. Hold up. That name is way too long. Let's just call it DNA, shall we? It's the super tiny molecule packed with all the information that makes you, you. From your eye color to whether or not cilantro tastes like soap, it's all coded right in there. Alright, let's hit some learning points. So DNA is like your personal recipe book. But instead of baking cookies, it builds cells. And guess what? You can find it in every single cell of your body. Yup, billions of them. DNA is everywhere in you, hiding like a ninja in every cell, making sure you stay you. Now, here's the big one. DNA's shape. It's called double helix. Imagine two spiral staircases wrapped around each other, having a little dance party. This twisty shape is actually pretty genius because it keeps everything packed neatly like a science burrito. And just like any good burrito, it's packed with good stuff. Nucleotides. Speaking of nucleotides, let's break it down. Nucleotides are like the Lego blocks of DNA. They are just building blocks that makes up the helix. Each nucleotide has three parts: a sugar, a phosphate, and a base. Sounds fancy, but think of it as peanut butter, sugar, jelly, this phosphate, and slice of bread, that is the base. Delicious and scientifically accurate. Next up, the star of the show, base pairs. Bases always team up in specific pairs, like best friends who always hang out together. You have got adenine and thymine, and then cytosine and guanine. They are the original dynamic duos. Think Batman and Robin. If Batman and Robin were tiny molecules making sure your hairs stay curly or straight. Fun fact. DNA was discovered back in 1800s, but it took a while for scientists to realize it was, a big deal. Then came along Watson and Crick, who cracked the code. They discovered the double helix structure in the 1950s and basically said, Eureka! We find the life's blueprint. So thanks those two for figuring out why you can be related to your relatives. Let's zoom in. DNA is so small that even a single strand has millions of base pairs. Imagine lining up your DNA in your body. It would stretch up from here to the sun and back over 60 times. Yet here it is, neatly coiled up inside each tiny cell. If that's not packing efficiency, I don't know what is. Finally, the triplet code. DNA reads like a super cool language where every three bases form a triplet code to make amino acids and building block of proteins. So it's like your cells were chefs. DNA would be handing them recipes, 3 ingredients at a time. Put enough triplets together and voila, you've got a protein that makes muscles, hairs, or even antibodies that keep you healthy. Alright, DNA detectives, there you have it. DNA may sound like some sci-fi tech, but it's the real deal. Hiding in plain sight within all of us. It's like a cookbook for life, written in code only cells can read. So next time you're feeling a little ordinary, remember, inside you there is a double helix masterpiece. So if you loved today's dive into DNA, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more microscopic mysteries, and drop a comment below on which part of the DNA you found most fascinating. Thanks for watching and keep the double helix rocking. Alright, peace out. Bye.